how to see FPS in SteamVR. First, load up Steam, then you want to click on Steam in the top left corner and go into settings. I'm also going to show you another method, but here once you open up settings, you want to select in-game from the left hand side and then make sure enable the Steam overlay while in-game is turned on. Also, you want to pay attention to the overlay shortcut keys. This is going to be Shift plus Tab by default, and once you open up SteamVR and enter a game, you can press Shift plus Tab and it should display the FPS. Now, if that doesn't work, then what you have to do is go to the store and you will search for FPS VR, written like this, and you will click on this first game that pops up. FPS VR is going to cost €4, but it's going to display all of your information like this. You will be able to see your FPS, GPU frame rate, and all of this other information such as your CPU's temperature, RAM usage, so on and so forth. And those are the two methods of seeing your FPS in SteamVR. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.